Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we would like to make a group presentation. This group is group number 2, and this group consists with 3 members, as myself, Denny Ardiansyah, and then Andynah, Vasdara, Tyas, Kheysta, and then Shelly, Audita, Andani. Okay, today we would like to make a presentation about the importance of our health in global public health. Okay, the introduction will be explained by Dara. Go ahead, Dara.
Okay, why is global public health is important? What should we do? Global public health is concerned with health problems that transcend national borders or have the potential to impact the world economy and political climate. Global public health is important because it aims to improve worldwide health access to healthcare service and the quality of healthcare for all. Global public health emphasizes prevention at the population level and is critical to helping maintain global security. Currently, there are many diseases that affect many people. This is due this is due to the lack of public awareness in maintaining health. As we know, at this time there are many diseases that infect many people, such as influenza, dengue fever, polio, hepatitis, and etc. Lack of awareness of everyone in maintaining health can make it easier for people to contract the disease. That's why we have to take care of our health to avoid diseases that can attack us. In this era pandemic, public health is a major concern for everyone. The current pandemic is something that many people already know and is also very much the focus of right now. Currently, the government has a very large role in dealing with COVID-19 cases. They must prepare facilities for people affected by COVID-19 and the impact received by the community, and also to respond so that this pandemic ends soon, namely by providing vaccines to all elements of society. In addition to vaccine, we can also reduce the spread of COVID-19 by implementing 5M. By orderly implementing 5M, we can minimize the spread of the virus. To achieve global public health, you can start with yourself. The importance of maintaining cleanliness and health, especially our own health, is certainly a very good thing. Moreover, the habit of maintaining health can become a good habit even though the pandemic is over. I believe that taking care of our own health can be a form of support in solving global public health. Especially during this pandemic, we must also be more aware of maintaining health. By starting from now in maintaining health, it can become a good habit for the future. Okay, next, Denny.
Okay, if you wonder how important that we have to stay healthy, I do believe that stay healthy is very important. As we know, even in normal era, it is very important. It could help our activities such as working, studying, or anything else. And then there is some causes that if we don't stay healthy. Okay, stay healthy is quite important. I'm telling you again, guys, stay healthy is quite important. That causes that if we don't stay healthy is we can be exposed by disease, and from there it can affect our performance at work or study. And it is also possible for the disease to transmit it or to be infected to our closest relatives, like our friends and even family. And we could be stay healthy if we can keep it clean. Yeah, there are many ways to stay healthy. We could consume some vitamins or some medicine that could keep our stamina and health to be as good as we want. And also we could keep it clean. It prevents us from various infected disease. Okay, and if we wonder how do we keep it clean, there is a step to keep it clean. The first one is we can keep in any room or house to still stereo. And we can also maintain our own cleanliness when at home or outside the house. While we are on the activities like in working or studying, we could use some hand sanitizer, and then we could use a mask and many way. Yeah. And correlation between keep it clean and our health. By maintaining cleanliness, we can avoid various disease. That's something we need to pay attention to. And that way, we can stay healthy. Some people also say that prevention is better than cure. Okay, there's correlation and importance to stay healthy in this pandemic era. So there is some connection between our own health and the global public health. I think it is important too to keep our environment to still healthy. Also, it is very important for us to keep healthy in this pandemic era. Everywhere there's a virus that could infect us. And if you wonder what is the correlation from our own health to global public health, first, there is a mindset. We could do it for ourselves. The first thing is we have to do it for ourselves. If we can do it for ourselves, it can help other people to have to do that. And if all of us could do that, even the society will have a good health. This is the important thing. From ourselves, we could help the society. If everyone have the same mindset, we have to do it for ourselves, then everyone will do the same. That's the one of the way. And the importance to stay healthy in this pandemic is have a benefit for us. We could survive from this pandemic and could end it. Yeah, we must, and we could survive from this pandemic. That is one of the way is keep it clean. And don't forget to get vaccinated as well. By doing all of those things, we could survive from this pandemic era. And even when the pandemic is gone, we could still keep these good habits, right? We have to. We have to keep these good habits even when the pandemic era is over, because this is could prevent us from infected to any disease, even worse than COVID-19. And it's very good for our future. Okay, next, Shelly.
Okay, the conclusion. The first one is stay healthy is important even in normal era. I do believe that to stay healthy is important. As we know, even in normal era, it is so important. It could help our activities such as working, studying, or anything else. And then there is some cases that if we don't stay healthy, so there is some connection between our own health and the global public health. And I think it is important to keep our environment is healthy. Also, it is very important for us to keep healthy in this pandemic era. Everywhere there are virus that could infect us. So I hope you understand how important health is, starting with maintaining cleanliness, especially in this pandemic era. Maintaining cleanliness can start from wash your hands often, ready to use hand sanitizer, don't touch your face often, practice using, wearing a mask, exercising, eating healthy and nutritious food, keep the environment clean. The second one is maintain cleanliness and health, especially in the current pandemic era. With us taking care of our health, it will be easier to realize public health globally. As we know, it is important for us to maintain cleanliness and health. Maintaining health begins with adjusting your diet, like eating foods that have completed nutrition elements in the right amount. Example that have protein, vitamin A, C, E, zinc, and probiotics. Okay, this using global public health means that we are talking about effort to prevent the emergency of diseases or viruses For this reason, we are encouraged to always maintain cleanliness for the realization of global public health. There is a slogan that is always echoed, namely, prevention is better than cure.
Okay, that's a good one. And yeah, there's a slogan that is always echoed, namely, prevention is better than cure. And we have to remind each other, we have to keep it clean, we have to stay healthy, to keep our health is very good. Okay, I think that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.